In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formatted text with the equation block in Notion. This is a quick and easy way to enhance your Notion pages with specially formatted text, perfect for those times when you want something a little more than the standard font options provide. Whether you're organizing your notes or creating a standout title, this method can be a game changer. To start, open up your Notion page and get ready to type something new. You'll want to begin by typing a / followed by the word equation. What you're doing here is calling up Notion's equation block feature. This tool, while originally designed for mathematical expressions, also allows you to format text in a uniquely styled way. Once you've typed in equation, you'll see a drop-down menu. Simply select Block Equation from the options available. When you choose Block Equation, you'll notice a gray math box appearing on your page. This is where the magic happens. The next step involves typing your desired text inside this box. Do this by using the format text your text like this. It's important to include the backslash and the curly braces as they ensure your text is formatted correctly. This text formatting is ideally suited for short titles or eye-catching phrases. You'll notice that the font looks slightly different than the usual text on your Notion page, giving it a more polished, distinctive appearance. This difference arises from the fact that it's rendered as math text. It's a subtle yet effective way to make your headings stand out without overwhelming the rest of your content. One of the fun aspects of using the equation block is that it doesn't limit you to plain text alone. You can even add emojis inside your formatted text. Emojis can add a splash of color and personality to your Notion page, making your titles not only stand out, but also express a bit more about the content that follows. This simple technique can be incredibly useful for maintaining a well-organized and visually interesting Notion setup. Remember to keep it to shorter snippets of text, as this feature isn't designed for longer paragraphs. Using it sparingly and strategically can really elevate the look of your notes and dashboards. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to make your Notion pages pop with a bit of formatted flair. Give it a try and see how it can transform your layouts. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated with more Notion tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.